Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Jenny Jo. In this video, we will be exploring the emergency mode portion of the check-in check-out module. This feature is useful for marking people missing or accounted for during an emergency. Who has access to use emergency mode? At the start, only the main site admin and teachers whose classes are currently in session have permission to mark people accounted for in emergency mode. The main site admin can additionally assign access to sub-admins and/or to all parents who are actively checked in. To assign permission to sub-admins, the main admin should navigate from the admin homepage to Users, Administrators, and then select the name of the sub-admin. To give the sub-admin access to emergency mode, scroll down and check the box to select the check-in admin role. Scroll to the bottom and select the button to update administrator. Sub-admins can access the emergency mode on the current activity page of the check-in check-out tool by navigating to Users, Check-in Check-out, Current Activity. Or, if their admin account is linked to their family account, they can access it via the app on their phone. To link a sub-admin account to a family account, navigate back to Users, Administrators. Select the name of the sub-admin and select their family account in the Family drop-down list. Doing this also allows the sub-admin to skip from their member account to their admin account and vice versa without having to enter the password for the other account. To link the main site admin account to their family account, navigate to Settings, Group Profile. Find the field called Website Administrator Family and choose the main site admin's family from the drop-down list. Doing this also allows the main admin to skip from their member account to their admin account and vice versa without having to enter the password for the other account. Be sure to scroll to the bottom and update the profile. Even when an admin has the correct permissions and is linked to their family, if the admin is not currently on site and checked in, they will not see the emergency mode in the app. To assign access to parents, navigate to Users, Check-in Out, Current Activity, and select the Settings button. Check the box to allow all parents to access this page in the case of an emergency. Parents will access the emergency mode tool in their app. If an emergency has been activated, there will be a red siren on the screen when they open the app. If a parent is not actively checked in, they will not see the red siren in the app. The main site admin or any sub-admin with the check-in admin role can initiate emergency mode. This can only be done from the current activity page of the check-in out feature on the admin site. Neither teachers nor parents can initiate in an emergency. Now, to use emergency mode. Admins and sub-admins will navigate to the Check-in Out tool by selecting Check-in Out from the dark gray side menu or by navigating to Users, Check-in Out, Current Activity. Select the Activate Emergency Mode button. This will bring up the emergency dashboard where you can view the numbers of pending, accounted for, and missing persons. The Classes section will display all classes that are currently in session as of the moment the emergency was initiated. The classes listed will not change, even if the time for the class to be over is passed, until the emergency is deactivated. Note that it's helpful to assign locations for classes that specifically reference the internal building location, such as Room A, and not generally the name of the building, such as Downtown Community Center. Each class will display all students that are enrolled in the class. Students can be marked pending, accounted for, and missing. Emergency mode managers can mark a person accounted for by clicking on the green check. They can mark a person missing by clicking on the red X, and they can mark a person pending by clicking on the dotted circle. If you mark someone as missing, their name will appear in the missing list at the top of the page. Once you mark them accounted for or pending, they will be removed from the missing list. Additionally, notes can be added for each student. The Checked In section will display all members and guests who have checked in but are not currently attending a class. Guests are required to leave a note when they check in, and that might have pertinent information, such as where in the building the guests plan to go or which class they intended to visit. Your group can choose what to require of guests when they check in. The Not Checked In section will display all members who have not checked in. In any of these sections, if a person is known to be checked in or checked out, but forgot to take that action for themselves, emergency mode managers can manually check that person in or out. When the emergency is over, admins can select the button to deactivate emergency mode. Once emergency mode is deactivated, all the data on accounted for and missing people is lost. If you then re-enter emergency mode, everyone will default again to pending. Using emergency mode in the app for parents. If the setting is turned on to allow parents access in an emergency, when an emergency is activated, there will be a red siren icon when they open their app. Note that this capability will only be available to parents who are checked in. If a parent is off campus, they will not be able to access this feature. Once they tap the red siren, they will navigate to the emergency dashboard area of the check-in, check-out feature, where they can mark people as pending, accounted for, or missing. This is the only part of the check-in-out feature that parents will be able to see. The rest of the instructions for using the emergency dashboard are the same for parents as they were for admins. And finally, using emergency mode for teachers. Emergency mode for teachers will operate similarly to how it does for parents. If the teacher is teaching a class that is currently in session, the red siren for emergency mode will be available in the app. When they tap that, they will navigate to the emergency dashboard area of the check-in, check-out feature, where the teacher can mark their students as pending, accounted for, or missing. The teacher will only be able to see their own class and not any other people who might be checked in or checked out. It's best practice to think through who should have what role in an emergency, whether parents or sub-admins should be emergency managers, what the backup plan should be, and so forth. It is recommended to have teacher and parent training, perhaps even to do a practice drill. During an emergency would not be the best time for people to see the emergency mode for the first time. This concludes the check-in, check-out emergency mode video. If you have further questions, please contact us by creating a ticket in your support center, sending an email to support@homeschool-life.com, or by calling 920-755-0257.